Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to turn any of your photos into a fun cartoon Polaroid styles. It's all for free using just your phone. It's quick, super easy and perfect if you want something cool for your social media or even as a digital keepsake. Okay, let's get started. First, you will need an app called Face. If you don't already have it, just head over to the Play Store and then search for Face and then just download it. And once installed, just open the app and sign in with your Google account. And the cool thing is Streamface actually has a free plan that they will give you a weekly credits plus a limited number for free image or video generations every day. So no worries, you can try this out without paying anything. Okay, now let's create our cartoon Polaroids. From the home screen, this one, just tap on AI filter and then scroll down until you see the super filter sections, this one, and then just look for the one that called Polaroid or this one. Next, just simply choose the photo that you want to transform. It can be a selfie, a group pictures, or even a pet photo. Anything works. And after selecting, just hit on animate. And okay, there you go. Your photo has now been turned into a cartoon Polaroid style image like this. It's super cute. Now you can save it directly to your gallery and then you can share it on your social media. So that's it, a super quick way to turn any photo into a cartoon Polaroid look. It's for free using Dreamface. Okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!